Hello students, welcome back to the Smart Box. We will be watching our 8th chapter of class 6, that is divisibility. Okay, this is the most important and the easiest chapter in our 6th standard. Okay, now what is it? We have to write the divisibility test for 2, 5 and 10. Okay, 2, 5 and 10 का divisibility test क्या होता है? So we should know that if we want that the number should be divisible by 2, then we have to check the last number. ये आपको लिखना है, लास्ट नंबर आपको चेक करना होता है. अगर लास्ट नंबर हमारा इवन है, ठीक है, इवन है, देन एवरी नंबर हुज लास्ट डिजिट इज इवन दैट विल बी डिविजिबल बाय 2. सपोज here it is written as 125. 125's last digit is 5. Okay, that is an odd number, so it won't be divisible by 2. But in 364 में क्या है, last number is 4, so 4 is a even number, so this will be in the divisibility of 2. So you have to write it in this block itself. Okay, now another is 475, another is 750. 750's last digit is 0, so it will be divisible by 2. Again 800 will also be divisible by 2. 628 will also be divisible by 2. 206 will also be divisible. 508 will be also divisible. 709 won't be. 5345 will be not, and 8710 will be divisible. So for the 2, for checking the divisibility test for 2, you just have to check the last digit. If it is even number, then it is divisible by 2. If it is an odd number, it won't be divisible by 2. Now let's check the divisibility test for 5. What is the divisibility test for 5? The last digit should be 5 or 0. अगर last digit 5 या 0 है, then that number will be divisible by 5, or else it won't be divisible by 5. So here it is 125. Okay, last digit is 5, तो 125 divide होगा. 364 won't. 475 will be divisible. 750 will be divisible. 800 will also be divisible. 628 won't be. 206 won't. 508 won't. 97009 won't. 5345 will be divisible, and 8710 will also be divisible by 5. Okay, next is 10. 10's divisibility test is only 0. We want 0 at unit place, that's it. Okay, so not this, not this, not this. 750 will be divisible, 800 will be divisible, so, and 8710 will be divisible. Okay, these three numbers will be divisible by 10 and nothing else. Okay, so this was the divisibility test of 2, 5 and 10. This was very easy. Next is divisibility test for 3. Okay, now what is the procedure for 3? Listen to me very carefully. It is very easy, just you have to remember it. You have to add the number. Okay, this is 3 and this is 6 and this is 3, so you have to add it. 6 plus 3 is 9. So 9 is the 9 coming in 3's table? Yeah, 3 3s are 9, so it is divisible by 3. Therefore 63, ये पूरा number क्या होगा, divide by 3 होगा. Next is 872. Now what we have to do, we have to add 8 plus 7 plus 2. Okay, 8 plus 7 will be 15. 15 plus 2 will be what? 15 plus 2 will be 17. So 17 will be divisible by is it divisible by 3 or not? So it is not divisible by 3. So if 17 is not divisible by 3, 872 will also be not divisible by 3. This is how we have to do it. Now let's check for this 91. 9 plus 1 is 10. 3 के टेबल में 10 तो आता नहीं है, तो 91 भी नहीं आएगा, ऐसा होता है. 5 plus 5 plus 2. 5 plus 5 plus 2 is nothing but 12. 3 के टेबल में 12 आता है, तो 552 भी आएगा. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज 9 plus 3 plus 3 plus 6. 9 plus 3 plus 3 plus 6. 9 plus 3 will be 12. 12 plus 3 will be 15. 15 plus 6 will be 21. So 21 is divisible by 3. Yeah, so it will be divisible by 3, and it will be 9336 will be also divisible by 3. Then we have to add this 4 plus 5 plus 2 plus 7. Okay, so 4 plus 5 will be 9. 9 plus 2 will be 11. 11 plus 7 will be 18. So 18 is divisible by 3, so 4527 will also be getting divisible by 3. This is how we check the divisibility test for 3. Next is for 4. Okay, तो यहाँ पे we have done for 2, we have done for 3, we have done for 5. Okay, now we are doing for 4. Okay, how to test divisibility by 4? Any number which is given to you is divisible by 4 or not. How will you do it? You have to just do, select the last two numbers. Okay, 9 9 2 में last two numbers कौन से 9 2 and divide it by 4. Okay, 9 2 को हमको क्या करना है, डिवाइड बाय 4 करना है. 4 2 ज़ा 8, 4 3 ज़ा 12. So your answer is 23. It is getting divisible by 4. So if 92 is getting divisible by 4, the whole number will get divisible by 4. Okay, now next last का 4 number is what, 14. So we have to check that is 14 divisible by 4. So we know that 14 isn't coming in 4's table because 4 3 is 12 and 4 4 is 16. So 14 isn't coming it in the table. Okay, so 14 isn't coming, so that 7314 also will be not divisible by 4. Next is 48. Okay, so 12, 4 12 is 48, so it is getting divisible. Okay, so if 48 is getting divisible, 6448 will be also getting divisible by 4. Okay, next is 16. Yes, 16 will also be get divisible. 73 won't get divisible. Okay, so we will cancel it. 24 is coming, 6 4 are 24. Okay, so it will be divisible by 4. Okay, so this is how we finish the divisibility test for 4. Okay, next is divisibility test for 9. Okay, 9 is also very important. We have done for 3, we have done for 4, we have done for 5, we have done for 10. We need to do it for 9 right now. That how can we recognize that a digit, that is 9, is any digit is divisible by 9 or not? So it is also very easy. 3 के लिए हम जैसा करते हैं वैसे ही 9 के लिए भी करेंगे. We have to add all the digits and we have to see that it is coming in 9's table or not. Okay, so here it is given one for you all. 1 plus 9 is 10, 10 plus 8 is 18. So 18 is divisible by 9, तो यहाँ पे 9 आ गया. Now next is what, 2 plus 9. Okay, 2 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9. Okay, 2 plus 9 3 is 27, 27 plus 2 is 29. Okay, so 29 isn't coming in 9's table, therefore it is not divisible by 2. Okay, now 5 plus 0. Okay, 5 plus 0 plus 0 plus 4. 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 9 के टेबल में जाता है, तो it will be getting divisible by 4. Next is 1 plus 3 plus 3 plus 8 plus 9. Okay, 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 plus 8 is 15 and 15 plus 9 is 34. So 34 isn't divisible by 9, so 13389 will also not come in 9's table. Okay, next is 7 5 7 8. 7 plus 7 is 14, 14 plus 8 is 22, 22 plus 5 is 27. Okay, so 9 के टेबल में 27 जाता है, तो 7 5 7 8 will also be divisible by 9. Last is 6 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 3. Okay, and 3 is 27 and 6 plus करेंगे तो 36 आएगा आंसर. So this is divisible by 9 itself. Okay, so this was very easy. Now the last thing we have to do is practice set 22, which is very easy. Here there is given some trees and in that trees there are written some numbers. Okay, you have to check that which numbers are getting divisible by 3 4 and 9, and then you have to write it itself. That's it. Okay, how you have to write? You have to write 3 and you have to write all the numbers which are getting divisible by 3. जो भी नंबर इनमें से divisible by 3 है वो आपको लिखना है. divisibility test has been taught to you all. Okay, ऐसे आपको लिखना है. फिर आपको 4 डालना है, 9 डालना है, and that's it. You have to just recognize the number and write in it. Okay, जैसे यहाँ पर ये जो गर्ल है, शी इज़ टेकिंग अ बास्केट ऑफ 3, तो इसके अंदर इसके बास्केट में कौन से नंबर जाएंगे, 9 के बास्केट में कौन से नंबर जाएंगे एंड 4 के बास्केट में कौन से नंबर जाएंगे. दैट यू हैव टू put in their basket itself. That's it. Okay, so this finishes our practice set 22, and this finishes our chapter divisibility itself. Okay, so if you all have any doubt in this chapter or in this video, you can comment us down, and if you are a new viewer, do not forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching the Smart Box.